In this video, we'll show you how to connect to your Wi-Fi enabled BlackVue to upgrade the firmware, customize settings, and manage your video files. To start things off, be sure to download the free BlackVue app for iOS or Android. Then you'll need to locate your Wi-Fi password. This is printed on the Dashcam sticker under the mount. It's helpful to take a picture of it or make a note for safekeeping. Turn on your vehicle's ignition to power your BlackVue and check that the Wi-Fi LED is on. First, connect to your BlackVue from your phone's Wi-Fi settings menu. Select your BlackVue model from the list, then enter or paste the Wi-Fi password to connect. Next, open the BlackVue app. In the main menu, tap BlackVue Wi-Fi. Here you can browse through the videos stored on your BlackVue's micro SD card. Filters let you display only the videos that are relevant to you. For example, if you're looking to review an impact incident, the Event tab will contain those videos. You can download individual clips or quickly download multiple videos at once by using the check icon. To access downloaded videos, navigate to the internal memory menu of the app. From here, you can easily create folders, rename and sort your videos, as well as share them with others. Wi-Fi connectivity also allows you to monitor what your BlackVue is recording in real time, so you can find the optimal view angle. If you'd like to upgrade the firmware, disconnect from your BlackVue's Wi-Fi, then navigate to the Firmware download menu. Here you can choose your BlackVue model and language, then tap Download. Once downloaded, simply reconnect to your Dashcam's Wi-Fi, find the Firmware over-the-air menu, and upload the firmware to your BlackVue. The new firmware will be applied and the Dashcam will restart. The Firmware settings menu allows you to customize and modify the settings of your BlackVue. For example, you can turn off the LED lights for maximum stealth, change the time zone, adjust brightness and recording parameters, and so much more. Just be sure to tap Save to apply the changes. Now you know how to get the most out of your BlackVue Dashcam through Wi-Fi connectivity. For more information, go to blackvue.com.